Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Chatty Time with your host Bailey. The focus was going crazy there. How's it going, everybody? I have another of the tattoo decal inspired nail arts. I'm going to try and get them all finished for you guys today in this one sitting. Not in this video, but I'm going to sit and finish the last three. And I'm really excited to film them because I rigged up something to hopefully get the optimal top down, without my hands in your face camera setup. So I'm very excited to do these, and yes, I'm going to pause for a second, adjust the camera. We're going to angle down, and I'm going to let you guys know what I'm going to use for this next one, and yes. But before I angle down, I will insert the photo here. All right, hey, bunny hands. Okay, so isn't this awesome? Look at this angle. I'm so proud of this. Okay, so the one we are going to be doing is this one. It's very simple. It's more all about like the shading, I find. So yeah. For the color though, I'm going to switch it up. I really like this Azure Beauty Soak Off Gel Polish. This one is number 7609. It is a blue cat's eye. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do the effect, but I really like this polishes effect without the cat's eye, if you know what I mean. Like, it's just really a pretty, it's really pretty. I like it. So that's the color I'm going to be using, and of course black and white. For the little 3D pieces here, the little bumps, I'm actually going to try some of this Bijou gel. It's a little stiffer, and I'm kind of having a love-hate relationship with it for like gems, but I'm gonna see how it performs for this sort of aspect. So yes. All right, so I'm going to pause for, or no, I'm just gonna jump right into it, and we're gonna fast forward, and yeah. All right, so there it is. I actually like the way that the cat's eye kind of turned out on that one there. So there, that one is there on a smaller scale. I think it's supposed to be like some sort of lotus flower type tattoo. That's the kind of vibe I get. It's like lotus flower. I like it. I like it with the little cat's eye effect. I should have done it definitely up and down instead of side to side. But anyways, I really like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Click, comment, like the like button. I'm losing train of thought. Like the like button, hit the bell notification so you guys get notified every time I post. I post every few days. Subscribe, share with your friend. It's totally free. If you guys would like to follow me on Instagram, BC_Jazzy_time. If you'd like to follow me on Twitter at NailsB. Anywho, I'm going to get to the last two of this tattoo decal inspiration collection. So I hope you guys all stay tuned and stay jazzy.